Hello students, welcome to your music class, and on today's lesson it's time to get very creative. I'm going to show you one of the instruments that I'm going to create with home items that I was able to find at my place. But the purpose of this week's assignment is for you to think about what you can create at home with the things that you have. For the purpose of this video and to give you an example, I'm going to show you how to create a box guitar. So these are the things that you are going to need for your box guitar. You may wish to create your own at home if you are supervised by an adult who can help you, or you can create any other kinds of instrument. It's all about your imagination and how you present what you have. So let me put my camera a little bit lower and let me show you what you're going to need for your box guitar. So first of all, you need a box. I'm using a popcorn box, and what I did to my box is that I opened a little hole on the bottom just to give it some amplification. And amplification is what's going to give more volume to your instrument. I also color a little bit with my black marker just to show you the difference between each side of my box guitar. You're also going to need some scissors to make the hole. You can use a marker or Sharpie, like I mentioned before, to give it some color so you can differentiate between both sides. You're going to need some pencils or pens and rubber bands. So you're going to take your box, and the first thing you're going to do, you're going to start putting your rubber bands on your box. Now you're going to think of your rubber bands as the strings of your guitar, and I would like to clarify that a guitar has 6 strings, but only for the purpose of this video and demonstration I'm going to show you my box guitar with only 4 strings. You may use as many rubber bands as you wish. Now let me inform you that the way we create sound with this box guitar is by tightening up your rubber bands. The tighter they are and the more you play with the way they are set up, it's gonna give you more different kinds of sounds. So make sure that your rubber band is nicely placed, and make sure that you have some space in between the strings so that when you are demonstrating your instrument or when you are creating it at home, you can be sure to play without interrupting the other strings. And I have my last rubber band. Just make sure that you're doing it nicely so you don't get hurt. Alright. Very good. We're almost there. So here are the strings of my box guitar. Notice that some of them already have some different sounds. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert my pencil right at the bottom of my box guitar, right below the sound hole that we created by cutting a little piece of my box. Then you're gonna go ahead and insert another pen or pencil at the very top. Remember that what gives the sound to your box guitar is how tight your rubber bands are. And you can play along with this. You can maybe locate your pencils right over here at the very bottom. Maybe that would stretch your box a little bit more. Here we go. Now the tuning might not be in the right place, but like I said again, you can play along or check how tight each string is. And here you go. Here is my box guitar. I can play different patterns. I can also turn it around and play the back of my box guitar as a hand drum. So here's a demonstration of what you can create at home with your own items. Now, I would like you to go ahead and get very creative. Get things around that you can find in your home and start creating your own instruments. And I would like to hear what you were able to come up with. I hope you enjoyed today's demonstration. Here is my box guitar. I look forward to know what amazing things you were able to come up with. Have a great day.